It's for somebody special. Yeah. Can't wait it out tonight. Baby, you special. Can't wait it out tonight.
Hey you guys, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video we are going to be doing duck nails on our non-dominant hand with the baking soda nail hack. A lot of you guys have been saying, how do you do your non-dominant hand? How do you do it? How do you do it? How do you do it? And I'm here to explain to you how do you do it. So we're going to start off finding our nail tips to make sure they fit great and perfect. So we have some good nails going, and then I'm also going to cut them while they're off of my nails, because baby, cutting them while they're on is just not it for me. It's too much. It's too much, doing too much. So I'm going to cut them while they're off. I'm also going to go in with a tweezer and some double-sided tape, and I'm just going to put that on there. If you do not have this, take a pencil, take just a knife, whatever you got. Just take it, get some double-sided tape, or even take a little bit of glue, nail glue, and put it on there, and then glue on the nail tips. So that way you can have something similar to this, so you can do the half part of the nail off of your nail. So this is what you're going to do while the nails are off of your nails. You can also shape them, you can file them, you can do whatever you want, so that way when you go to glue them on, all you have to do is the cuticle area, which it's still a little hectic, but it just makes it a whole lot easier, especially for me, because y'all, I used to mess up my non-dominant hand. Like, it used to just be horrible, but now with this little hack that I do, it just works out so good for me. So this is how I do it, and I just go dipping them in. I do all the nails just like this, and as I go dipping, they become done, like they become thick, and then all I have to do is apply them and then just do the cuticle part, and I'm not having bumpy nails. I'm also going to be filing these nails off of my nails just to make it a little bit easier and not have such a lumpy nail to have to work with when they're actually on my nails. So I'm just doing that at this moment, so that way I don't have to worry about no lumps or clumps and having to file over and over again just to make them look good. This is just easier for me. If it's easier for you to do it the other way, then be my guest. You can do it that way, but this is just easier for me. And I'm also in this video going to be reviewing some chrome powder from the Dollar Tree. And when I say 10/10 recommend this chrome powder, 10/10 recommend. I will get to what I like about it and what I don't like about it at the end of the video, when we're actually showing me actually doing it, and why I would recommend it and kind of why I wouldn't recommend it. But it's all up to you and what you think. But right here, I'm just going to glue on this nail, and you're going to see me. I'm just going to work with the cuticle area of the nail, and that is about it. Then all I have to do is worry about that part and not everything.
Distance ain't no time to get me back to you. Coach, yeah, give me coach, yeah, give me coach, yeah, to get me back to you. Give me coach, yeah, give me coach, nah, give me coach, yeah, to get me back to you. And I deny it's a couscous. And if God is my witness, now you be my weakness, man, no be boss. See, Oluwa don't bless me, not true, no be ghost ride. If they say I didn't listen, babe, you're the one that I'm missing, girl, and my darling, would you wait for me, girl?
Always make sure you are dusting off your nails, because if you do not, you're going to have a nail glue that is not going to last you. You want to make sure you are dusting them off really, really good, because it will harden. Your nail glue will be hard by the time you go to use it the next time. It is not going to work anymore. The next thing you want to do also is make sure you seal the cuticles so no humidity gets in, no water, no nothing, because they will lift and you will get humidity or even water inside, and then you'll get a greenie and just a whole bunch of other stuff just like with regular acrylic nails. So definitely make sure you seal the cuticle. Now, I know y'all see me here reading these instructions. And when I tell you guys, when I read these instructions, I was like, okay, wait, hold up. What? All right. So I applied the top coat. This is just regular top coat from Amazon. And when I applied it, I was like, so it should work like a regular chrome. Does not. Nope, it does not. You need to leave the base coat, well, top coat, you need to leave it tacky a little bit, because if you do not leave it tacky, what's going to happen is it's not going to stick. So this was my problem right here. It did not stick. So then I went in and I was like, okay, let me try this brush, because that one wasn't working. That didn't work either. So I was like, maybe if I leave it a little bit sticky, it will work. Y'all, it worked. So I only left my hand underneath the light for like 5 seconds, maybe 10 seconds. And then I used my finger, and voila. When I tell you, this chrome is beautiful. And I have a green one that I am dying to use for Christmas. So stay tuned for that one, because I'm really excited for it. But this one right here, it is so beautiful. Like, I want to go back to the Dollar Tree and get a whole bunch of them, because they're that good. I wish they had them in a whole bunch of different colors. And then when you put the top coat on it, chef's kiss, you guys. These came out so beautiful.
And if God is my witness, now you be my weakness, my no be boss. See you don't bless me. Not true, no be ghost ride. If they say I didn't listen, babe, you're the one that I'm missing, girl. And my darling, would you wait for me, girl? Yeah, cause now you did cross my mind. Would you wait for me, girl? I know, ain't no distance, ain't no time to get me back to you, coach. Get me back to you. Oh, nah, coach. Yeah, to get me back to you.
Now, one thing about this hack is that if you are going to use these chrome powders, you need a nail lamp, and you can use the Dollar Tree nail lamp. I didn't have any batteries for mine, and mine was dead, so that was a no-go. But I did use just my regular LED lamp. As you guys know, I try to not use gels with these hacks, but if I have to, then I will. But here you will see me using gel, and honestly, you guys, I loved this chrome powder. I will use gel any day of the time of day of any month, because these chrome powders are just that good. But I just went in with some jewels, some top coat, and I also went in with some I went in with some stars. I don't know if I put that in the video, but I went in with some stars that are like stickers from Dollar Tree. Did not like it, took it off halfway through the video. So I don't even know if I put that clip in. I don't know where the clip went. I probably didn't even put it in. But either way, they came out beautiful. Do you see these? So bomb. So pretty. Love them. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I love you guys. See you in the next one.
To get me back to you, coach. Yeah, give me coach. Yeah, give me coach. Yeah, to get me back to you, give me coach. Yeah, give me coach. Nah, give me coach. Yeah, to get me back to you. Cannot deny, say cos. And if God is my witness, now you be my weakness, my no be boss. See you don't bless me. Not true, no be ghost ride. If they say I didn't listen, babe, you're the one that I'm missing, girl. And my darling, would you wait for me, girl? Yeah, cause now you did cross my mind.